What is SQL?
SQL, Structured Query Language, is a standard programming language developed for managing and manipulating relational databases. It is used to insert, update, and retrieve data stored in the databases, as well as to manage the database's schema, users, permissions, and transactions. SQL is widely used in various applications and considered an essential tool for data management. Types of SQL. There are several implementations or versions of SQL, but the two main categories are ANSI SQL, also known as Standard SQL. It defines a standard syntax and data types that are used by many relational database management systems. Second, vendor specific SQL. These are variations or extensions of ANSI SQL created by specific database management system vendors such as MySQL, Oracle, Microsoft SQL Server, etc. These implementations may have additional features or functions that are not part of the ANSI SQL standard. So, you can say there are multiple types of SQL as each vendor may have its own implementations of the language with the additional features or functions. What is the use of SQL? SQL structured query language is used to manage and manipulate relational databases. It allows users to insert, update, and retrieve data stored in a database, as well as control access to the data and manage the database structure itself. SQL is used by businesses, organizations, and individuals to store and manage large amount of data and to enable efficient retrieval of that data as needed. Advantage of SQL. There are different types of advantage. Number one, relational database management. SQL is used to manage relational database, which are databases that store data in a series of tables with relationships between them. User friendly. SQL is a user friendly language and easy to learn and use, even if you have no programming experience. Number 3, cross platform compatibility. SQL is a standard language, which means that it can be used with a variety of different database management systems. Compatibility with various platforms makes it a cross platform solution. High performance. SQL is designed to be fast and efficient, making it suitable for managing large amount of data. Data security. SQL provides a variety of security features such as user account, password, and data encryptions to help ensure that sensitive data is protected. Ease of maintenance. SQL makes it easy to maintain and update database system as changes can be made to the database schema without affecting existing applications that use databases. Disadvantage of SQL. There are different types of disadvantages of SQL. Number 1, complexity. While SQL is user friendly, it can become complex and difficult to manage when dealing with large and complex databases. Second, limited scalability. SQL databases can become slow and unwieldy when working with large amount of data, and scaling them up can be challenging. Vendor lock-in. SQL databases can limit your choice of software solutions as they are often exclusive to specific vendors. This can make it more difficult to switch to a different solutions in the future. Limited non-relational data support. SQL is a primarily designed for handling relational data, and it may have trouble working with non-relational data types like hierarchical or graphs. Inflexibility. SQL can be inflexible in certain situations as it requires a rigid structure for data, and it may not be able to accommodate unstructured or semi-structured data. Cost. Some SQL databases can be expensive to purchase and maintain, especially for organizations with large amount of data or complex data structures. Enroll now to learn complete SQL course. This course is totally free for all. Link given in the description.